This is the final video to solve the Paradox Launcher not working issue. Are you also facing this problem where the Paradox Launcher won't open, gets stuck loading, or crashes every time you try to start a game? This problem happens when the launcher's cache files get corrupted, the launcher doesn't have permission to run, or its installation breaks after an update. Sometimes Windows blocks it, and sometimes the launcher just can't sync your game data properly. And if you check YouTube or Facebook, most solutions are long, confusing, and don't explain the real reason. When I faced the same issue, I fixed it with one simple trick that worked instantly. But first, let me explain why it happens. The Paradox Launcher saves login info, mod data, and settings inside a hidden folder. When these files become damaged, the launcher stops responding. Also, leftover files from old updates can block the new version from running. Here's the easy fix that worked for me. First, clear the Paradox Launcher cache. You just delete the launcher's cache, and it forces the app to rebuild clean files. This alone solves the issue for most people. If that doesn't work, delete the launcher folder from app data so it reinstalls fresh when you open it again. Another fix is to run the launcher as administrator so Windows doesn't block it. You can also reinstall the launcher completely because sometimes the installation gets corrupted. And if mods are causing the crash, move your mods folder temporarily and try launching again. These simple steps fix the issue for me without any complicated